Does Sharp TV have HDMI ARC? Yes, most Sharp Smart TVs have HDMI ARC audio return channel, allowing audio to be sent from the TV to external sound systems like soundbars or AV receivers through a single HDMI cable. However, some older Sharp models may not support this feature. 1. How to check if your Sharp TV has HDMI ARC. Step 1. Look at the back of your Sharp TV's HDMI ports. Step 2. Find an HDMI port labeled HDMI ARC or ARC. Step 3. Check the TV settings under Audio or Sound options for an HDMI RC setting. Step 4. If HDMI RC is not labeled, your TV may not support it, and you may need an alternative audio setup. 2. How to use HDMI RC on a Sharp TV. Step 1. Plug an HDMI cable into the HDMI RC port on the TV. Step 2. Connect the other end to a soundbar, AV receiver, or home theater system with ARC support. Step 3. On the TV, go to Settings, then Audio, then HDMI ARC, and enable the feature. Step 4. Set the TV's audio output to external speakers or ARC. 3. Benefits of using HDMI RC on a Sharp TV. Single cable connection eliminates extra audio cables like optical or AUX. Higher quality sound supports Dolby Digital, DTS, and some models support Dolby Atmos. TV remote control integration. Use the Sharp TV remote to control the soundbar's volume. 4. What to do if HDMI ARC is not working. Use a high-speed HDMI cable. Some older HDMI cables may not support ARC. Enable CEC settings. Go to Settings, then CEC, Consumer Electronics Control, and turn it on. Try a different HDMI port. Some TVs may have multiple HDMI ports, but only one supports ARC. Update the TV firmware. Outdated software may cause ARC compatibility issues. 5. Alternative audio options. If HDMI ARC is unavailable. Optical audio, Toslink. Use an optical cable for high-quality sound. Bluetooth audio. If your TV supports Bluetooth, connect wireless speakers or soundbars. RCA or AUX output. For older TVs, use RCA cables or a 3.5mm AUX connection. Most Sharp Smart TVs have HDMI ARC, making it easy to connect external sound systems with better audio quality. If ARC is unavailable, optical, Bluetooth, or RCA connections can be used as alternatives.